How's everybody doing? This is Neff with Nocturnal Labs. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys an update on the BA shredder build. Still going a little slow. We got parts on order that still haven't showed up, but little by little we are getting there. Let me show you guys. This is what we have. Have the bad boy painted. Nice burnt copper color. Looking really nice. Not too much of a shine, but I mean it really don't need to shine. It just needs to be protected from rust and stuff. So, but here we go. Here's another part. I can barely see this. Boom! Look at that burnt orange or burnt copper. Oh man, that looks nice. Everything connected to it. Looking nice. Look at that happy face. It's even happy. And we have the base tacked together. We still gotta actually weld the whole thing together. I mean, I think it'll hold, but just to make sure. Man, but this thing, I gotta tell you, it is solid. It is solid. I love that giant base. Makes it even more stable. And it balances pretty nice. This piece, that piece actually lays on top of here nice and flat, so it is pretty awesome. But guys, that's what I have so far. Parts are trickling in. Once we have everything, once we have all the parts, then we'll start putting it together. So that is all I have for now. I want to again thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and stay tuned. More videos coming soon. Peace.